Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you type a website and hit enter? Like, how does your screen magically load everything in seconds? What if I told you every click you make is part of a hidden conversation? A language the entire internet speaks, and it's called HTTP. It's not magic, it's a system that connects your device to servers across the world. And once you understand it, you will start seeing the internet completely differently. You are watching Dear Explorer, here we go. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Think of HTTP as a rulebook, a set of rules that tells your browser how to talk to a server. Because when you open a website, your device doesn't just load it, it requests it. Your browser asks for the page, the server sends it back, and that exchange is HTTP in action. Let's simplify it with something real. Think of it like ordering food. You check the menu, that's the website. You place an order, that's the request. The kitchen prepares it, means server processing. You get your food, that's the response. That's exactly how HTTP works. Now here is what actually happens behind the scenes. You type a URL, your browser sends an HTTP request to the server. The server receives it, it processes the request, sends back data in form of HTML, images, etc. Then your browser displays it, and all of this happens in milliseconds. Every website you visit is just thousands of these tiny conversations happening instantly. Now here is where things get serious. HTTP is fast, but it's not secure. That means anyone could potentially see the data being sent, password, messages, personal info. That's where HTTPS comes in. The S stands for secure. HTTPS uses encryption to protect your data. If you want to understand how encryption works, then watch this video. So instead of sending information openly, it scrambles it into unreadable code. Only the server can decode it. Think of it like this. HTTP equal to sending a postcard, anyone can read it. HTTPS equal to sending a locked box, only the receiver can open it. That little lock icon in your browser, that means the website is using HTTPS. No lock, think twice before entering your data. Let's quickly recap. HTTP equals to rules for communication. It works through requests and responses. HTTPS equal to secure and encrypted version of HTTP. So why does this matter? Because every time you open a website, log into an account, shop online, you are relying on this system. Understanding it means understanding how the internet actually works. And more importantly, it teaches how to stay safe online. The internet isn't magic, it's just conversations happening at lightning speed. And now you understand the language. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe and check out our next video. See you there.